Dancehall artist Jada Kingdom has dropped her dancehall-infused R&B EP dubbed New Motion. The EP features 4 tracks and was released via Money Well Spent and Republic Records. The EP is her first official project since being signed to Republic Records. New Motion explores Jada's experiences with trauma, relationships, and love, and boasts songs like Last Night, I'll Fling It Back, as well as Next Time. In this post on Instagram, Jada revealed that the music video for Fling It Back was shot a year ago, and the song written by herself, Verse Simmons, and DJ Hardwork, and was recorded 2 years ago. Fling It Back also samples melodies from Left Side and Esco's Tucky in Your Belly. Jada kicked off the EP with the May 20 released Last Night, which was produced by The Genius and includes a subtle tribute to Dave Kelly's 1999 Brookout Rhythm. The Eastside DJ is slated to take the stage at the return of Reggae Sumfest on July 23. Mega superstar Beyonce dropped her first single from her upcoming album. The Grammy winner shared the exciting news in the bio section of her social media pages last night. The track dubbed Break My Soul was released today and has been met with rave reviews. The track is currently trending number 26 on the streaming platform YouTube with over 2 million views. The track is the first single from her upcoming 7th studio album Renaissance, which is due out July 29. Beyonce's last single was Black Parade, released in 2020. Renaissance is the follow-up to her last full-length album, 2016's Lemonade. Now, news broke yesterday that the jurors in a civil trial who have been deciding on sexual abuse allegations against comedian Bill Cosby have been forced to start over in deliberations. The decision comes after 2 days of deliberations in which they reached verdicts on nearly all of the questions put before them. The only unanswered question pertained to whether Cosby acted with malice, suppression, or fraud, which would trigger punitive damages if they answered yes. However, with that question still unanswered on Friday and one juror unable to continue today, jurors will have to begin again with an alternate in her place. Bill Cosby is accused of molesting Judy Huth in 1975 at the Playboy Mansion in Los Angeles when she was 16 years old. He has denied having any sexual encounters with Miss Huth. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.